excited to introduce Milwaukee's first step into the drain cleaning industry with the M12 Drain Snake, the most portable machine on the market. But anyone can benefit from switching from an AC to a DC tool. Cordless productivity means so much more to the drain cleaning user. Cordless provides one instant setup when you're on a job, so you don't have to go searching for outlets or stringing extension cords. And then two, cordless provides safety when working in wet environments. Some of these competitor tools don't even have GFCI trips on them. So imagine taking that tool and using it on this beautiful bathtub. When I say drain cleaning users, I use that loosely because it's not just plumbers and maintenance technicians. These tools are used after new construction jobs, during remodels, even to clean out gutters. So there's a wide variety of users and applications. But one thing that all these jobs have in common is they require maximum power to completely clear that clog. Because last thing a plumber wants is to get a call back from its customer saying his drain is starting to back up again. The M12 Drain Snake maintains power under load better than its corded competitors. That means when you're up against a tough clog, the tool's not going to bog down. Now when you look at our clog up there, it's probably not your typical hair, soap, scum clog. We cake this pipe with mud and hay so you can really see this tool go to work. I'm going to demonstrate what would be an application in a basement. And drain cleaning isn't really a speed game. It takes a little bit of finesse. So when using the tool, when you get to the clog, you're going to lock that cable in place and really work the clog. Now what I want you to do is listen and hear that as this tool hits that tough clog, the RPM stays the same, so it's not even bogging down. And once that clog is all broken up, that's when you would take water and flush out the pipe completely. So who's the lucky one who wants to hold this first? Pass it around and feel the weight on this. Now this is just one type of application, using the tool overhead. Another application could be using the tool under the sink. Now the way the competitive products are built today, they're really only optimized for one or the other. There's freestanding machines, which can only be operated from the ground because you need both hands to feed the cable. And then you have hand machines. And these can only be operated in your hand because of the exposed heat drum. Now this becomes a problem when you're working in tight spaces like a cabinet. So, trying to get in there, it's really easy to accidentally nick this cabinet, and then you'll end up spending the money you would have made on this job buying a new sink for your customer. Now, who wants to help demonstrate this? We'll choose you since you're sitting in front.
Use this one?
Yep. You can use the other one next. So now, yep, you would just demonstrate how easy it is to use the tool inside.
Clint, we're filming, so don't screw it up. I know.
You can just, you don't have to be
hurt my arm, I'm getting rubber. I've damaged the...
You're a whiner.
Yeah, I'm in it for at least $350.
You did a good job. Thank you.
Don't ever use this. Never.
So the M12 Drain Snake is the first hybrid machine on the market. So it has the portability of a hand machine without that exposed spinning drum. This allows the user to work right up against the drain. Now, as you can see in this video, this is one of our early prototypes, and we had someone take it out to a restaurant, and he's underneath a bar sink. He's able to support the tool on his arm and also not worry about it hitting that bottom of that sink because of the drum shield. The other thing that we did with the tool is having a flat base on it allows you to set the tool down and free up a hand for easier cable feed. So as Clint was showing, you wouldn't be able to set the competitor tool down to feed the cable. Our tool will allow that. So that flat base really helps out for ease of use. Now drain cleaning machines have been around for ages, and users have seen little to no improvements in these designs. is the simple improvements I showed you on the M12 Drain Snake that'll completely change the game for these users. And that's just step one for Milwaukee Tool in the drain cleaning space. I'm now going to transfer your attention over to the next product in our